My dear brothers and their lovely sisters, I hope you are all well and good. So it's a new day, a new video. But before that, I would like to say one thing, that I think you have seen the new intro of this video. I have changed the name of my channel and now it's Geeky Gamer Raghav. Geeky means a person who loves technology. That's why I have kept this name and removed that newbie gamer, because it was not showing that I love technology. It was only showing I love games, and that's very wrong. So moving on to our video, today's video will be very short and it's a very anticipated topic. It's about Apple iPhone 12 announcement date and shipping details. We may have learned the announcement and even shipping details of the iPhone 12 as well as the next iPad and Apple Watch, thanks to tech analyst John Prosser. He was the one who correctly predicted the iPhone SE announcement date back in March. According to his information, Apple will hold the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro in the week beginning on October 12, and the models are expected to be shipped in November. Their price are still not leaked, but I hope they will be more than 1,20,000 to 1,30,000 INR. Some specifications of the iPhone 12 are wireless charging with magnetic attachment. Number 2, the iPhone 12 Pro Max will have mmWave 5G, claims insider. Apple to offset 5G cost with cheaper battery design for iPhone 12 series. 3 sizes will be available: iPhone 12 Max of 6.1 inch, iPhone 12 of 5.4 inch, iPhone Pro Max of size 6.7 inch. That's huge. They will have a notch display as usual. Apple is not changing the design. Every other manufacturing is now moving to water drop display, or what I will say, in display camera, like MI is moving, but still they are moving on to their notch display. Some reports says that iPhone 12 will miss on 120 Hz display due to supply issue. What is this? Even the OnePlus 8T will have a 120 Hz display. But the iPhone Pro Max will have LiDAR and 120 Hz display. That's great. Prices will be revealed on the launch event, so stay connected. The expected prices of iPhone 12, it may vary: 87,000 INR. Then iPhone 12 Max will be, I think, 90,000 to 1 lakh, and then iPhone 12 Max Pro will be 1,20,000 to 1,30,000 INR. They are really very costly. But if you are interested in iPhone, then you must go for iPhone 12. It is 5.4 inch display, but still it is good. It is at least affordable. So guys, if you are interested in more technology and gaming videos, then subscribe my channel. New videos are coming regularly. Like, share, comment, send this to your friends. Thanks for watching guys. Stay connected.